Isa ka ba sa naghahanap ng property na malapit sa Alabang, Manila, Villar City at MCX? Quality, affordable at matibay na investment at located lang sa Molino, Bacoor, Cavite? No spot down payment at livable na dahil complete finish na ang turnover nito? If yes, don't skip this video. This is Pau Pipito, your home search buddy. For inner unit, meron itong usable na floor area na 111 square meters kaya makikita nyo naman na may spacious tayo na living, dining at kitchen area. Included na din upon turnover ang ating sliding door, going to the service area at andito rin ang ating toilet and bath with complete fixtures at fully tiled na ito. Ang maganda nga dito kay Kathleen Place ay may mataas tayo na ceiling. We still have available and at corner unit if you want na may extra space tayo dito sa side. And yes, included na ang ating fence and gate, granite kitchen countertop at ang ating overhead cabinet sa kitchen. Isa nga rin sa tinitignan natin pag magpa-purchase tayo ng quality houses ay ang structure ng property. So makikita nyo na napaka-solid nito guys at napakatibay ng gawa. Kaya naman kung ikaw ay isang OFW at hindi Pag-ibig member, tamang-tama si Kathleen Place para sa'yo dahil ito ay via bank financing. Estimated monthly amortization for 20 years ay 37,000. Monthly down payment for 24 months ay 32,000. At miscellaneous fee na 410,000 na pwede mo pang gawing installment. Total of 3 bedrooms with cabinets at 2 toilet and bath. At ang good news, newly improved na ang ating facade. Kaya naman kung interested ka, bully natin before price increase. Send me direct message para ma-schedule natin ang exclusive house viewing mo. So, bye-bye!